Hello students, let us see this question here. A solid sphere of mass capital M is rolling with speed v on a horizontal surface and strikes a massless spring of force constant k. What is the maximum compression? Okay, so it is initially moving with this, and when the maximum compression will there, right, suppose it is compressed with completely like this. So suppose it is the maximum compression state. So this is suppose x here, and this rolling body will come here at the maximum compression. So now it cannot go any further. So this implies this speed will become 0 here. So this is suppose some speed, so this speed will become 0. And since it is pure rolling case, so if the linear speed is 0, right, if the speed of center of mass is 0, so the omega will also will become 0, because as you all know v is equal to omega r in the case of pure rolling. So VCM, you write. So since the at the maximum compression state, the center of mass of the sphere is having 0 speed, so this will become 0, and hence the omega will also become 0. So the rotation will also cease at this point. So you can say like the entire translational and the rotational energy is converted into elastic potential energy in form of a string energy. The total translation and rotational kinetic energy of the sphere will get stored in the spring as the elastic potential energy. So that will give me one equation, and with the help of that equation I can get the answer. So let us try to write the equation here now. So kinetic energy here, so that will be equal to 1 by 2 mv square, so that is the translational kinetic energy, plus rotational kinetic energy 1 by 2 I is 2.5 mr square, so this is the I. Okay, and omega square, so 1 by 2 I omega square, right, is equal to, so this is the total initial kinetic energy, and that will get stored in form of a spring potential energy, so that is 1 by 2 kx square. So now I can write here mv square upon 2 plus this 2 will get cancelled out, and you will get here mr square upon 5 into omega. So as you all know, v is equal to omega r. So here in the initial state also I can write, right, is this, right, this will be rotating something like this with omega if suppose. So here I will write v is equal to omega r is the radius here. So from here I can say omega is equal to v upon r. So let us write here now. So omega is equal to v upon r. So this can be written like v square upon r square. So this will get cancelled out from here, and okay, and this will become 1 upon 2 k x square. Okay, let me check whether I have done something right. 2 get cancelled, mr square upon 5 omega, right, correct. Okay, so now mv square can be taken as common here. So this will become 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 5. So and that will become 1 upon 2 k x square. So if I do here, so that will become mv square, and this will become upon 10. Okay, and this will become 7. So that is equal to 1 upon 2 k x square. So that will become 5. Okay, and here I can say 7 m v square upon 5k root, you will get the value of x. So see which option is matching. Option 2 is matching here, 7 mv square upon 5k root. Alright. So okay students, so option 2 is correct. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.